Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try the Ledboy Auto Lightning in our 2021 Toyota RAV4. So let's check them out. Alright, so what we have here, we got two sets of H11 from Ledboy. This particular brand is from the Philippines. So this is targeted basically on the Philippine market. So if you're in the Philippines, you want to try some, you want to upgrade your light from halogen to LED, you can try the Ledboy brand. I'll put the link on the description. They have a Facebook page that you can message. So with this one, so we got the 3000 Kelvin color temperature and the 6000. So on my case here, we will install the 6000 because some of you know already that I have a yellow film on my RAV4. So I don't need the yellow LED, but we will try them also. We're just gonna check them. How are they gonna perform with the film in there? Yellow, basically. With this one, we'll try them again. We're just gonna try them here. Right now, I'm here in the US. So guys, they're in the Philippines. So if you have a RAV4, you can check this one out. Again, I have a 5th gen RAV4. Or if you have any other local cars there, like Vios, Yaris, any car, Honda Civic, you can try Ledboy. Yeah, check them out. So, and hopefully this video can help you decide on which to get. Okay, let's install them. All right, so when installing this, make sure you spread the heatsink. All right, so that you'll have a better cooling. It'll be more efficient when doing this. So again, spread those braided heatsink in there. And now we're gonna install it here. I already removed that. So again guys, if you're in the Philippines, this is an easy DIY, or you can go to a local shop, basically have them install it. I know labor is pretty cheap in there, so it can be easily be done so cheaply. So again, yeah, just do it. Let's install it. Okay, so this is the comparison of the Ledboy and the brand that I'm using here in the US. So Ledboy on the driver's side, as you can see, it's really comparable. So almost identical, right? Yeah. So again, that number 14,000 lux by the in front of the actual light or the fog light assembly by the lens, almost the same. So with this one, yes, it's nice. They're the same, almost the same. The Ledboy looks basically pointing downward because my tires are not even right now, so they're pointing to the passenger side, so there's a shift in there. So yeah, these are nice. So we're gonna check them on the road later, so I'll replace the one on the passenger side too, but let's try the actual 3000 Kelvin on the driver's side. I want to see what's the difference on that. Okay, so just for comparison, I installed the I installed the yellow 3000 Kelvin LED bulb with my lens that has a yellow film, and it shows up as amber right now. So as you can see, for comparison, the yellow, which what I'm using right now here compared to the Ledboy here, yeah, this is more intense right now. This will help basically on fog and rain than the actual yellow one, but yeah, it's nice. I'm not sure if I will keep them. I might keep them though, So we'll see though. I might keep this particular setup because I like the way how yellowish it is. So the amber on it, I like the way yeah, the color temperature in this one is a lot better for me. It looks like my diode dynamics SSC 3 fog lights that are installed on the other one. But yeah, so these are nice. So let's drive later. It's still bright outside as you can see there. But yeah, so yeah, I'm kind of excited now. All right, let me show you how they look like on the road.